sit down. That's on my list. Talking to the robot. I'm like, yeah, I'd like a medium, whatever, strawberry shake, please. And the robot is like, okay, I made a shake. I'm good with that. I'm ordering other stuff. And I don't know where the robot is like just cut off that. We totally do have strawberry shakes. I feel like they had a strawberry shake back there. And I was like, oh, sure, yeah, like that.
Just gonna make this a shorter video. Brand new welding table. Been wanting one for a while. This one's actually got a flat surface. The other one was iffy because it was just a sheet of galvanized steel laid over wood. So one, if I welded too close to the galvanized steel, the wood underneath would start cooking and the galvanized sheet metal would start melting through because, yeah, obviously that's real thin and you're not supposed to breathe in galvanized like coating. Bad. No. This is going to be so much better. It's got the tools. It's got a bunch of jig parts. It's got the holes for like more jig mounting. This is going to be so much fun and so great. Now I'm still going to finish this mobile welding cart. I'm mainly just going to put the filing cabinet on casters and wheels, because that way I can still take that and roll it around the shop for any like measuring tools I need, because that's what's going to go in there, plus like welding helmets and whatnot. And one thing I am going to do, spin around here, is this lower area. It's channeled so I can take plywood, put it in there, and that way I have a shelf underneath there for extra either jig tools or welding supplies, or I can put the welder under there. So I'm really excited about this. Things are starting to come together a lot more, and we're really going to start moving along here. So this is going to be a quick little video. I'm working on one video of me working on the truck, so stay tuned. I'm the excitement. So like, share, subscribe. Journey is still going.